I've already done my method, so now I'll show you how to do it where you don't get kicked out the game completely. When it comes on you, it has to work this way.
Press button A.
Press your A button and it'll ask you to sign in. If you don't get this screen, yeah, you're not doing it right. Now watch. When the game comes on, you're going to get some bugginess because they updated the game a couple of days ago. And because it's a shared account, you wouldn't have got the update. The bloke who runs the account would have got the update. So you press your campaign, continue your story, let it load up. Takes a while to load up, but once you've loaded up, yeah, I'll show you exactly what to do. Don't just play the game because it'll mess up. Like I say, because you guys, us as customers, wouldn't have got the update. It would have been the bloke with the account that got the update. Takes a while to load up, but that's what the update's done. It's messed it all up. Right. So now the game's loaded, it's going to go straight into the game now. You're going to have this screen. So he's going to tell her that she's back inactive.
Have you got your tickets blown off yet?
Apologies, but this is Bagley. Who are you expecting?
A friend, released from the hospital after a bar fight.
Smashing. How about I arrange a couple of while you see to this current resistance business?
Okay, so don't play the game straight from this option. You press that button right there. Right, and take yourself over to your team. Once you get into your team, right, yeah, choose anyone you want. So I'll pick this person here. Swap to that person, and you shouldn't get any issues. I'm going to show you the game being played now. So obviously you're going to get this little loading screen again. Shouldn't be as long as it was the first time round. Right, now you shouldn't have any issues now at all.
Being dead sex worth the bruises, and we need more folks not afraid to get them.
Yeah, this is gonna be real. Let's do it.
Brilliant.
So,
Oh shit! Some kids ship with machine guns.
now I don't know when people started losing. I don't know when people started to get lagged out and kicked out, but as you can tell, I've been in the game for a little bit now. And as you can tell, I haven't really. I'm getting a little bit of lag. But if that keeps happening, yeah, just press this button and change your character. Because it's the character that you start with that lags you out. Because of the update, we didn't get updates. So the bloke who did the update would have did his own update, and then it would have hopefully attracted ours. But as you can tell, I'm back into the game now, yeah? Now I'm getting attacked. Just want to be able to show you that I'm not getting kicked out of the game myself. You're still chasing me. Getting battered here. There you go, folks. He's a gunner. All right then, folks. So that is. I've been on the game for about 3 minutes now, 4 minutes, and I haven't been kicked out of it at all. I mean, I don't know what you guys are doing on the game, but I'm not getting kicked out at all. I'm freshly happy. But look, so I can show you again. Going to my mate. This is my character I started with. Oh, I can't start because obviously I'm in combat. But yeah, it's there. It works. And as you can tell, I'm not logged into the account. It's there. So just subscribe to this channel because I'm going to start doing loads of these. Just so you can see the sweet spots and I'm showing you how to stay in the game. Nice.